Hey Data Pros, Pandas library is a go-to when it comes to data analysis. Anyone starting with Pandas, I will show you 5 methods that is easy for one to pick up and start. First method is read underscore CSV. A method to read CSV files, creating a data frame using the imported CSV file is the first step to analyze any data. Second method is head. Give top 5 rows by default, which can be changed also. A handy method to see what values present in the data frame. Describe. This is used to view some basic statistical details like percentage, mean, etc. Powerful method for statisticians. Info method. This method prints information about a data frame including the index data types and column data types, normal values and memory usage. The shape property is used to get a tuple representing the dimensionality of the data frame. That means it gives total number of rows and columns in a data frame. Using these 5 methods, anyone can start in Pandas. Do comment below your favorite method. Bye.